Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to prevent Discord from accessing your call log on your Android device. Privacy is important, and you deserve to have control over your apps. So, let's get started. First, unlock your Android device and open the Settings app. This is usually represented by a gear icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and look for the Apps option. Tap on it to see a list of all the applications installed on your device. Now find Discord in the list. It's typically listed alphabetically, so it should be easy to spot. After you've located Discord, tap on it to open the app settings. Here, you'll see various options related to the app. Look for the Permissions section and give that a tap. This will show you all the permissions that Discord is asking for. Next, you should see a list of permissions including one for contacts. Since we want to prevent access to your call log, tap on Contacts. This is where you have control. Finally, select the option that says Don't Allow. This will effectively block Discord from accessing your call log, ensuring your privacy is maintained. And there you have it. You've successfully prevented Discord from accessing your call log, keeping your information safe. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more privacy tips and tricks.